Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can change cover photo of your YouTube channel. Because sometimes we want to change our cover photo on the YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you how you can easily do it. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, you need to update your YouTube applications. So click on Play Store and right here YouTube. So after updating YouTube applications, click on Open Options. And here you will see Profile Pictures at the bottom right corner. Click on it. And then you will see the options of View Channels. And here you can also log in and select your YouTube channel. So after selecting and log in with YouTube channel, so then click on View Channel. And here you will see pin icon, click on it. And here you will see two camera icon. So this camera icon is for the change of profile pictures of YouTube channel, and this camera icon to change the cover photo of your YouTube channel. So because I want to change cover photo of my YouTube channel, that's why I will click on it. So then click on choose from your photos and then select the pictures which you want to change. For example, I want to change these pictures. So after selecting, click on save options. So you can see my cover photo on the YouTube channel is changed. So in this way you can change cover photo of your YouTube channel. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.